Cancer, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH at ito ang inyong monthly reading for November 2023. Napakabilis ng panahon, ano? So this is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lang ang reading na to bilang gabay. And also, please check out my Shopee shop. Available ang mga protection and prosperity bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. So, link on the description. Okay, Cancer, let us see ano ang energies for you ngayong November 2023 for Cancer. Okay. Cancer. Okay, ang energy ninyo for November is the Queen of Pentacles. This is resourcefulness, no? And focusing on your finances, yung iyong kaperahan, yung iyong career, and also this is an energy of someone who is in control or head of the family, no? In control of the family. In control of his or her life, no? Na meron siyang sarili niyang very independent, kumbaga. And a lot of, kumbaga, maparaan sa buhay. Oo. So, you might be working really hard. And yung work na ibibigay mo, yung effort na ibibigay mo sa trabaho, sa career mo, ay, ito ay, kumbaga, marireward because of the energy of the Queen of Pentacles is someone na kayang-kaya niyang i-handle ang kanyang sarili. Oo. Very independent and nurturing ang energy na to. Some of you pwedeng single parent, no? And then your challenge is the Two of Cups. So pwedeng merong kang ma-experience na challenging situation with your loved ones or romantic partner. Pwede rin tong sa business partner mo, no? Pwedeng ang maging issue ninyo related rin sa pera. With the Five of Pentacles here, this is your opportunity. So, I think you have the opportunity to finally mabalance mo yung finances mo. I think yung mga naging issue mo sa pera or struggles mo sa pera, ngayong November, you are finally seeing an opportunity to get away from that struggle. No? Makakagawa ka na ng paraan, ng solusyon, makaisip ka na ng solusyon. And with the Page of Pentacles as a blessing, I think isa sa solution mo is meron kang new endeavor when it comes to your finances, your career, merong bagong business, may bagong trabaho, merong another source of income na kung saan maganda yung malaking potential niya na maging very successful. So let us clarify that. What is the Queen of Pentacles? You have the Ten of Cups. So, ayan, family-oriented talaga kayo, Cancer. You're going to focus on taking care of your family, yung needs ng family ninyo. Some of you, pwedeng meron kayong mga ma-acquire na mga properties ngayong November. And it seems na you will also have celebration, no? With your family. What is the Two of Cups as a challenge? Four Pentacles, o yung iba sa inyo, maaaring magkaroon ng challenge sa finances, no? Related sa kaperahan rin. Connected sa mahal mo sa buhay. Pwede ring business partner mo, or for some of you, yung inyong partner. Oo, pwedeng may struggle sa finances yung partner mo. So, syempre, kailangan akuin mo muna yung responsibilities financially. But don't worry kasi things are going to be well and good for you, no? Pagdating sa kaperahan ngayong November. What is the Five of Pentacles? Two of Cups. Dala na naman Two of Cups, oh. Dalawa. Yes, I think it's either ikaw yung nagka-problema sa pera or yung partner mo or someone close to your family na finally maayos nyo na, nabigyan nyo ng solusyon, pwedeng tinutulungan rin kayo ng partner nyo or ng mahal nyo sa buhay. Yung iba, I also see an opportunity for business partnership. Okay? Merong business partnership. What is the Page of Pentacles? You have the Nine of Swords. Some of you, itong pagiging puyat ninyo at maraming iniisip, ito yung sinasabi nilang good problem, no? Like, yung mga, example, yung mga nagpo-post sa social media na meron silang online shop, tapos napakarami nilang orders. So, syempre, marami kang kailangan ayusin, ipack, asikasuhin, i-prepare. Nakakapagod yun, no? Pero, that's a good problem kasi ibig sabihin, may income ka, no? Merong kinikita yung online shop mo. Something like that. So, itong pagsisimula ng bagong opportunity for you sa career, sa business, sa trabaho, somehow, may mga pagkakataon na hindi ka makakatulog or mapupuyat ka dahil sa mga preparation na ginagawa mo. Pero that's just part of starting something, ganun naman talaga. So, for your money, you have the 7 of Wands. Ingat na ingat ka ngayon sa pag-handle ng finances mo. Hindi lahat ng humihiram, nangungutang, ay pagbibigyan mo. Oo, yung iba sa inyo natuto na sa pagpapautang. Oo, let's clarify that. What is the 7 of Wands? Yung iba kasi parang sinasabihan kayo na, uy, madamot kayo or parang hindi kayo nagsishare sa iba. Yung mga taong nagsasabi nun sa inyo is sila yung hindi talaga totally nakakakilala sa inyo. Pwede kasing may dahilan kayo kung bakit you are setting boundaries with them, no? From them, lalo na kung meron silang hindi magandang history sa inyo when it comes to taking your resources or borrowing your resources. You have the 8 of Cups. You're walking away from these people, no? Iiwas ka na sa kanila, sa katoxican nila. And then, for your career, you have the King of Swords. Some of you, meron kayong leadership opportunities sa inyong career. Yun nga lang, syempre, maraming responsibilities yan, medyo nakakapagod. But don't worry kasi you can definitely handle it. No? Kaya-kaya mo naman. And for your love life, Strength card. So, you're going to be more courageous or parang pagdating sa relationship, ipaglalaban mo kung ano yung meron ka, no? Kung ano yung nagpapasaya sa'yo, ano yung nagbibigay sa'yo ng inspiration, or sino yung nagbibigay sa'yo ng inspiration, ipaglalaban nyo yan. Yes, with the Queen of Cups, you're going to show your love, your care, your support to the people that you love. Kahit ito man romantic, pwede ring platonic, or sa family. What else? Yes, peace. This is also your focus ngayong November, to have peace of mind. Wow, may success, Cancer. Whatever this is that you're going to put your attention, yung iyong effort, this is going to be successful. And love, diba? Some of you are going to also e-effortan nyo yung relationship ninyo. Like what I mentioned kanina, ipaglalaban nyo yung inyong relationship, mapagtatagumpayan nyo yan, lalo na kung ang naging problema ninyo or challenges ninyo ay related sa kaperahan. Oo, basta ang importante, nagtutulungan kayo. You work as a team. Let's see what else. The time is right to release old patterns and energies. You are ready to embrace change. Yes, so for some of you, merong transformation, change in your career, in your situation. Hold the highest vision for your life. You now possess the ability to move past any hurdles. See, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina na any challenges with your relationship or your finances, ito ay malalagpasan nyo na, no? So, keep the faith. Yan, keep the faith. kapit lang, kumbaga. And then, your final message for Cancer. What's the final message? Shark, swim away from this situation. O, ayun na, yung mga taong nagtitake advantage sa'yo. Especially when it comes to finances, no? Yung mga nangutang or yung mga humingi ng pabor sa'yo, hindi lang sa kaperahan to, but also your resources. If these people are just, trying to take advantage of your vulnerability or yung kabutihan mo, iwasan mo na yung mga yan. Okay? So, that is your reading, Cancer. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Cancer. See you again.